Hello. You may be wondering, as you're building your replenishment programs, well, how do I tell what suppliers I'm buying items from for my warehouse? And you may want to just double check to make sure that all of your suppliers are somewhere in your replenishment programs. The easiest way for us to do that is when you're in Coupa, go to Setup, go to Replenishment, and then make sure you are selected to items. This is actually going to be your whole list of items with your warehouse and the supplier that you're buying it from. Now, you could go through here and like manually search this, but if you can see, there's a lot of lines here. Obviously, this is everything we stock in the warehouse right now, many pages. So I'm going to show you guys the fastest way to do this using the Excel export feature. So I'm going to export this to Excel. Once I export this, the program is going to give me a green bar. Because there's so much data, it is going to email this to me. When I get the email, it's going to look like this. I'm going to open my attachment, and then it's going to give me a file to open. It's going to show me an Excel file like this. So basically, what I'm going to do is, at the top of my file, I'm going to enable editing, and that's going to let me do some magic to this file, right? I can actually do things to it and change it and save it. So once you select enable editing, the bar will go away and you'll have all these options at the top. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to highlight our page. There's lots of different ways to do this, but I'm going to show you guys probably the easiest, at least for a novice Excel user like myself. We're going to click this button here and we're going to make sure the whole sheet is highlighted, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to come to data and I'm going to click this remove duplicates spreadsheet. Now I'm going to make sure my data has headers, and you can see it gives me all of these columns to select. I'm going to unselect all and I'm going to scroll down and select supplier. So what's this going to do? It's going to just look at the supplier column and it's basically going to remove all the duplicates so I have a single list of suppliers, okay? I'm going to hit OK. It's going to tell me I removed a bunch of duplicates. I found 20 suppliers. I'm going to hit OK. Here is my supplier list. I need to make sure that all of these suppliers in one way or another are listed on at least one replenishment program. Hopefully this helps you find all of your suppliers so you can start building your replenishment programs.